If your LED ring light also stopped working because the cable broke, then today I'll show you how to easily fix it. This cable usually breaks for two reasons. The tripod mount of the ring light is damaged, and when the light falls, the cable gets ripped out. How to fix a broken tripod mount? Check my previous video. Second reason is that the cable wasn't glued in place properly, so it easily gets pulled out. We'll fix that problem today as well. To complete this repair, you'll need a soldering toolkit, maybe borrow one from Grandma, and some superglue. First, remove the plastic diffuser. It's lightly clipped into the ring light housing. Then, slide the cable fixing rubber onto the cable. Cut a small piece of heat shrink tubing. Stretch it a little and slide it onto the cable. Cut off the damaged cable end. Measure how much outer jacket needs to be removed and carefully strip it without damaging the inner wires. Measure how long each wire needs to be and strip a small section of insulation from each one. Tin the wire ends. This makes soldering easier. Measure how much cable length is needed inside the lamp. Then apply some superglue and glue fixing rubber in place. Secure the heat shrink tubing as well. This will keep the cable fixed and extend its lifespan. Next, desolder the old wire remains. Then, solder the new wires back. Start with the white wire. It's the first one at the bottom. Then the red wire, and finally the black wire. In your case, the order might be different, so check the contact mark. Apply a bit of superglue on the fixing rubber so it doesn't twist and damage the wires. Then, cover the soldered wires with hot glue for extra protection. Now, connect the ring light to a power source and test if it works. Perfect. My ring light is working again, and Grandma will be happy, so she can continue her makeup videos on YouTube. Finally, snap the plastic diffuser back in place, and the repair is finished. I hope this was useful for you. Good luck!